This is Pranav Goa Thakurta from EduTV. Today, we are with Dr. Mehrotra, Dr. Dheeraj Mehrotra. He's a passionate educationist. He's an author also, and he's the principal of NPS International Guwahati. Dr. Mehrotra would like to know, how did this journey in education began?
Good evening. First of all, I would like to thank EduTV and the wonderful team for taking this notion towards exploring the quality journey and above all, taking this very initiative of understanding about the quality awareness and what all you people are doing. Well, about me, I'm into education just right after I completed my graduation. I became a teacher, and for sure, my subject was computer science. And then I switched over to my own school, that is the Boys High School in Allahabad, as a senior teacher for 11th and 12th. And there was a special subject that time. I'm talking about the year 94, 95. That time computer science was introduced in the curriculum of the Council for the Indian School Certificate Examination. And I was teaching basic COBOL Fortran, which used to be very, very interesting that time. Now it has become a yesteryear's once upon a time stuff. But that was, I remember even in 11th and 12th, the questions were asked to rewrite it in basic COBOL Fortran, the options were given. So that is how I began my career as a teacher. Then I joined the world's biggest school in India, that's the City Montessori School in Lucknow. And I worked there for around 14 years. Then I switched over as a principal in the Indian Public School in Delhi. And then I joined the GEMS Education as their education officer. And then, of course, my journey came to the corporate where the GEMS Education, and then after Next Education. And now recently I have taken over as a principal in one of the schools here in Guwahati, which is NPS International School. It is one of the best schools, top schools from the Northeast, and we are catering to around 1,700 plus children. Some are in boarding and some are day scholars, and we cater to our vision on ground about, we believe in the principles of forward looking, the ethical attribute, and we also reflect on ground of excellence, leadership attributes, and above all, the social responsibility. So that is what we club as our 5 core values here in NPS International School. I think you're muted, sir.
Thank you so much, Dr. Dheeraj Mehrotra. I think it's a good luck for the school and the students of that part of the country. And because a dynamic person like you has become the principal out there, you'll bring a new culture out there, new technology out there. I'm sure it will be helpful to all the stakeholders of education in that school. Sir, my next advice or motivation from you, I would look forward for your message to for aspiring teachers, students who want to take career as in teaching, and even current teachers also. A small message for them.
Yeah. Well, through EduTV, I'm really excited to share some of my views on taking teaching as a career. Of course, it's not, unfortunately, I would be saying that it is not a preferred career by the majority. But now, with the very scenario of COVID, you can see that what respect recognition teachers got. They became, at the front runners into providing the quality education, and they could do it, dwell it, and they were all street smart, competent with the march of time through the power of technology. So I believe this career option of teaching is one of the noblest of the professions. And in fact, one of the trusted professions in the world. Next comes nursing. So it is high time. I enjoy my being an educator all my life, and I believe that being a teacher is, like great, and you get in touch with the children, you get in touch with the parents, and you're always, bubbling with energy. That is what is the most important thing in this profession, that you always remain young, being with the smart kids around. So you have that competitive notion that I need to learn the better with the march of time, and always be, plugging into knowledge and playing with the knowledge and sharing the knowledge, and learning actually happens here in this profession every moment. The moment I'm talking to a class 2 child or class of 4 child, or to a teacher or to a parent, every time, we have learning. And here, particularly, for example, in NPS International School, we strive to nurture the potential of each and every student and groom them to be concerned, well adjusted, and competent world citizens as a part of our vision, you know, to be safe, joyful, peaceful, disciplined above all, and intellectually challenging environment is there for the teachers, educators, all of us. So the learning here has to be, or anywhere in this profession, tasks on a priority. And the more you learn, the more better you become, and the more respect you get. So that's the honor of being a teacher and an educator.
Wonderful, sir. Thank you, sir. We'll have a small rapid fire round. Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, yes, please go ahead.
What do you like, texting or talking?
Talking, of course. Teachers talk, and
Okay.
so do I.
And a favorite day of the week?
Saturday is a good day.
Okay. How long it takes you to get ready?
Maybe 5 minutes.
Okay, good one. On a scale of 1 to 10, how good of a driver you are?
I would say 8.
Okay. Thank you so much, Dr. Dheeraj.
Thank
Thank you
you,
so
sir.
much.
Thank you so very much. God bless.